Today I'm showing you a massive 5-bedroom house in the very popular Hartenbos Heuwels. Beautiful chandelier, stunning swinging front door. As you can see, it's large, open living spaces. You've got your furnace, your built-in braai, the living space flowing into your stunning kitchen, quality finishes throughout. Enough space for all your appliances. You've got your separate laundry and scullery area. Enormous living spaces. We also have balconies offering stunning views over Hartenbos as well as Mossel Bay. You can see the point from here. Adjacent to your living space, you've got a massive study, laminated flooring, and for the entertainer you've got your jacuzzi. Sit in your jacuzzi, enjoy the views over the bay. Let's go and have a look at two of the rooms. Here you'll find your direct access to the garage, some extra linen space, your first bedroom, built-in cupboards, also offering stunning views. Got your one bathroom, shower, toilet and a basin, and a massive master suite. His and hers cupboards. As you can see, it's very spacious. And of course with your balcony. Just look at the view. And your full ensuite bathroom. Quality finishes throughout. This stunning 5-bedroom mansion in the very popular Hartenbos Heuwels is now up for sale.